Alrighty guys, what's going on today? Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the BiC Market permanent markers. These are the 36 count permanent markers. They come in an array of assorted colors. And yeah, they're great. The reason that I got these is because, I just like to, keep things organized at home. I have like books that I use for music, so basically like organization things for work, and color coding things for me is huge. It helps me stay organized, and it's just makes things look a little, makes things a little more fun, I guess you could say, especially when it comes to organization, because for me that's not that much fun on its own. For some people it may be, not for me. But yeah, I basically wanted to get these. I had a big thing of Sharpie, not totally fine point, but kind of like semi-fine point markers like this. And I just, did not like the way they came out. Bleed a lot. They were just, a lot of them were way too dark. And some of these are too, I'll get into that, but they just, I don't know, weren't really that great, and especially for like just simple color coding tasks. I don't know, I didn't need anything like that, But yeah, anyway, more about these. To start off, the colors are great. Super vibrant, all of them. It comes in a really big pack of colors, and I'll open this up. I love the packaging in here, by the way. For how many markers are in this thing, and remember there are 36 in here. The way they package it's actually pretty cool. As you can see, it opens up essentially like a large book. So it's cool. So obviously, you have all the markers here. You can see them. They're all within your line of sight. I've taken 2 out, obviously. But you can see all the colors. They come assorted really nicely in different shades that you would want to use for different things. And they pretty much have lights and darks of each color. So it's really great for kind of all around, really any color you can think of, you can use it with this. And it's actually pretty solid because I use Pro Tools, and when you color code things on there, you can get like an array of colors if anyone uses Pro Tools out there. So there's a lot of these to match, which is perfect for like the notes and stuff that I'll make. I really like to keep things color coordinated. And it's cool that you can do that with pretty much any color that you can think of, or any shade of any color. What I will say though is that unfortunately the lighter colors aren't actually as light as I would like them to be. So, for example, like you have a couple shades of green, pretty moves down the line. You have the dark ones over here, some lighter kind of like blue greens. You have this like lighter green over here. The lightest one even is not really that light compared to the darker ones. So, I wish it could be a little bit lighter, just so I could use it more for like highlighting purposes and not always have to use really light colors like yellow or gold or peach. But, that's just a very small, I guess, kind of qualm that I have with these markers. The thing I really do like about them is they don't really smell a lot. Sharpies tend to have this really strong kind of like, I don't know, like acidic sort of scent to them, almost like after a while when you're, coloring or doing something with Sharpies, they kind of tend to make you a little bit lightheaded, which I don't like. And so you don't have to really deal with that with these, which is really nice. I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that they're acid-free ink. As you can see right there, acid-free. And I guess that's what creates that kind of scent or that odor in Sharpies. Not really sure. But, it's nice that they do that. As for the actual working with it, these aren't, again, super fine points, although for good mid-range things, they're kind of a mid-fine point. So it's not like, it's thicker than a fine point and thinner than what you would find in like a highlighter or like thick Sharpie that you would use for like really deep, dark, full kind of coloring or shading. So, it's not the most precise in the world, but a good in-between kind of precise. If you need, and need them for like detailing or whatever. As for actually using them, they're very comfortable to hold, comfortable to grip for long periods of time. I spend a lot of my day playing guitar, typing, and then writing, and so it's like a lot of wrist work, a lot of hand work. My hands get really tired, and so being able to have something that's a little more comfortable to use is always nice. Yeah, overall, I would highly recommend these to anyone that is you know, just needing a good, strong set of colorful markers, permanent markers. Again, these are the BiC Market 36 count permanent marker set. And yeah, definitely check them out. Alright, y'all, take it easy.